All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course, and we're still doing our malaria custom layers module. Let's have a look at what we went over today, which wasn't much because it's day two of the same exact error that I'm having from yesterday, which is becoming really annoying. So, yeah, let's pick up where we left off. I'm not doing any reading, I'm not doing any explaining, but what I can tell you is that where's my mouse at? Yeah, so I removed all of this code here. You can see the Linnet model. I removed everything from the Linnet model all the way down to the Linnet model summary. And then I ran the code again and everything came back fine. So everything did run, everything did compile. So yeah, I spent the first hour and a half searching the wrong information for the error. When I removed all of this here, there was no error. So that's telling me that the error has to be somewhere in this information that we copied and pasted over from a different module. I don't know exactly what it could be right now. I really don't care at this point. I did math for a few hours. I've been doing this for like an hour and a half, and I really don't care at this point. So yeah, I will pick it up tomorrow and see exactly what's going on. Why is this throwing a bug when it worked in previous modules? The only thing we changed here is we renamed the dense layer from dense layer to Nora learn dense. Everything else is exactly the same. So I'm not sure exactly why that will be throwing an error. But like I said, I removed all of this information and then I ran the code again. Didn't get any problems, didn't get any errors. I added it back and it started throwing errors again. So matter of fact, let me see if I can run it for you right now. I'm not doing anything else. So as you can see, the code as of now, there's no errors. Everything ran perfectly. Everything compiled perfectly. And that was with the information, all of this, the COBD information, the batch normalization, the flattened information, basically the feature extractor. What do we call it there? The explainer? Yeah, whatever that is. Yeah, the batch information, the dense information, the dense layers. And see how long it takes to actually compile with this with the video recording. So it looks like it's going now. Let's get in there. All we gotta do is get through the shapes, the images, and then it's gonna go right to the error. So yeah, let's get a look at that. Okay, here we got the images here. It's gonna be 16 of them as usual. What I'm thinking about doing is I'm thinking about bypassing this section altogether and just learning it outside of the course. I don't know. I got a sneaky suspicion that it's just the instructor. Like I said, I've had to come behind him too many times to figure out things on my own and get workarounds to things that you shouldn't have to have workarounds to. Inside the artificial intelligence course, it's always like a comma or something I miss or a misspelling or something. In this course, I gotta invent A, B, C, and D just to figure out what's going on. So yeah, I'm thinking about just going outside of this course to learn custom layers and just moving along forward to the next thing, and let's see if that makes any sense for me. So you can see we're having an error now again. Like I said, so it has to be somewhere in this information here. And like I said, the only thing we changed was the neural learn to dense. Like I said, I just now figured out that this was the problem because I decided to take it off and backtrack and see if I still got any errors, which I didn't. So what tomorrow I'm going to do is I'm going to change these neural learn denses back into just regular denses and then run it and see what happens. But yeah, that's all for now. Like I said, I'm not doing any reading anymore, explaining. I will keep you guys posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.